If you're considering the Palm Springs area for a second home or a place to retire, you're not alone. I'm seeing a steady wave of affluent buyers who aren't just looking for real estate, they're buying a lifestyle. Hi, I'm Will Cook of the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today, I'd like to break down what these buyers truly value and, just as importantly, what concerns them when they're looking for homes in the greater Palm Springs area. First and foremost is lifestyle and setting. Buyers are drawn here for the light, the views, the architecture, and the feeling that life slows down, but in a good way. Mid-century homes, modern desert architecture, and resort-style communities. These aren't just design choices, they're emotional decisions. Privacy matters to these buyers, but so does connection. Many buyers want gated communities or private lots, but they also want easy access to dining, golf, culture, and healthcare. That's why areas across the valley, from Palm Springs to Rancho Mirage, Indian Wells, and La Quinta, all appeal to buyers for different reasons. Another big priority is homes that age well. Single-level floor plans, generous primary suites, minimal stairs, and smart layouts that work well now, but will also work 10 to 20 years from now. Because a lot of buyers are thinking ahead. Can this home be a second home today and a primary one in the future? Now let's talk about what gives buyers pause, because even affluent buyers are careful. One of the biggest concerns is the total cost of ownership. Not just the purchase price, but any HOA fees, insurance, utilities, and long-term maintenance, especially for a part-time resident. Another concern is about climate and resilience. Buyers are asking smart questions about heat mitigation, energy efficiency, solar, newer systems, and how homes perform during extreme weather. And finally, market timing and flexibility. These buyers don't want to feel rushed. They want the confidence that what they're buying will hold value, fit their lifestyle, and remain easy to sell or rent if their plans change. The takeaway: buyers coming to the greater Palm Springs area are intentional. They value beauty, comfort, and simplicity, but are also looking for smart guidance. If you're thinking about a second home or a retirement purchase here, the right neighborhood, home type, and timing matter more than ever. If you have questions or want to explore what fits your lifestyle the best, I'm just a phone call, text, or an email away. Please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.